Hey everyone, good morning. I'm excited to be able to share something with you this morning that I think is going to be really helpful. I have found out how to add a link to a Facebook story. So I'm in Facebook Creator Studio under the Facebook tab, and I want to go ahead and add a story. I can either do that over here with Add Story, or I can come over here to create a post and then click on Add Story. When I do, I can choose the platform, and then I can choose either create a photo story or create a text story. If I create a photo story, I upload the photo. Very simply, when I do that, then I can resize the photo so that it actually fits. And then here's the genius of it. Over here, it says add a button. When I click on that, I can choose what kind of button I want to add. So I'm going to add learn more. I can go ahead and add a link. And then when I'm ready to share the story, I would click here and I'll show you what that looks like. So here's the story I created on Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and click that. You can see here's the Learn More tab. And as I click that, it goes over to the website. I think that this is going to be great. I think it's really going to be able to help your marketing. And I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day, you guys, and I will talk to you soon.